Recording your PC screen on Windows 11. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to record your screen in Windows 11. It's a really simple process, folks. So let's get started. The first step is to open an application. I'll click here on the search button. You'll type the name of the app here. Type Snipping Tool. So here it is, folks. Snipping Tool. This is the Windows application you'll be using. Just click here on Open. Up here, folks, you can record your screen. It's probably set to portrait mode or photo capture, so switch to video. Click here to switch to video mode. To start recording, folks, click on New. Here you'll select the area you want to record. You can capture the entire screen if you want, or just a portion. You can record just a part of your screen. So I've already marked the area here. I'm going to release the mouse cursor. So here's the area I'm going to record, just this section. I'm going to click here on Start Now. If you want to use a microphone, folks, just enable it here. Select a mic to record both screen and voice. Then just click Start here. So it's recording now, folks. I'll pause here. You can pause or stop. Stopped. So here's my recording. To save it, folks, click on the Save button and choose a folder. That's it. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.